Quite different conditions here.
I would imagine so.
Yep. Oh, wait, were you guys outside this morning?
Yeah, it felt
There
okay.
was a breeze.
I know.
Yes.
I knew it was going to happen, right? Because that's my job, right, to know. But I was still kind of pleasantly surprised. Yeah, it was still 79 degrees, but it was the low humidity that made it feel so comfortable. It was that breeze. It's not going to happen.
Especially when you're running, which is what I'm sure you were doing.
Yeah, my pups and I have 2 dogs, and they love being outside in the morning. That's exactly what we were doing. And hey, even with that breeze, the temperature was still at 79 degrees. Today's high, 101. Today, by the way, the 22nd triple-digit heat day of 2024. On average, we see about 20 every year. Of course, the last 2 years were an exception. And tomorrow, conditions in the afternoon will be very similar, but this time the heat index will be quite a bit higher. That's why tomorrow, an excessive heat warning, that's 1 notch up from a heat advisory, will be in place. This is for a heat index that could reach up to 112. This is dangerous heat. It does include DFW. And again, it'll be in place through the day on Friday. I'm expecting a high near 101 in Dallas, 102 in Fort Worth. Some spots to our west where the air is dry or it warms up quite a bit faster could reach temperatures close to 110. Now, along our southeastern counties, I'm talking far to the southeast, Tyler to the southeast, we could see some rain, and that's where temperatures will likely stay in the mid to low 90s. Tomorrow, 101. Saturday, Sunday, we're talking highs in the upper 90s. It'll still feel like the triple digits when you factor in the humidity, and into next week, still the upper 90s, but at least we stay out of the triple digits. Here's what's happening. We have this ridge of high pressure. It takes strong hold of our weather today, tomorrow, and over the weekend. Middle part of next week, you see how it kind of scoots off towards the east? It's going to allow a window of opportunity for rain, and that rain could help cool us down. Right now, it looks like it'll be less than a quarter inch of rain through next Wednesday, so that's including Tuesday, Wednesday, but more rain is possible on the other side of that. We're talking Thursday, Friday. Tonight, though, mostly clear, 80 degrees. The temperature will be similar to this morning, but the humidity will be higher. That's what makes a big difference. Tomorrow, a high near 101 degrees. It's going to be sunny. Yes, it's going to be hot. The big difference tomorrow is that the humidity will be back in full force, so that's when that dangerous heat index comes into play. Over the weekend, we're talking upper 90s, and like I said, a little relief on the way in the form of rain as early as Tuesday, middle parts of next week, and maybe even into Labor Day. Can you believe September's on that 14th day already?
The time's flying, and the Cowboys get to come back to triple-digit heat.
Exactly. I'm sure they would take that California weather right now, but instead they get the 100-degree heat that you have.